Hey guys, welcome back to RSCARPREMIUM. So we have got an Innova Hycross to upgrade from base to top. So let me tell you what all upgrades we are doing on Innova Hycross from updating from base to top. The first upgradation what you have done on external is fog projector. As a customer with the base model, you don't get a fog projector. We have added a fog projector, and because the headlights are poor, so we have given a good quality fog projector of Genom with 55 watts. The second thing what you have done is customer was facing a lot of heat. So what you have done is we have added a tint to the entire car. For the sides 70%, and for the front what you have done is we have added a clear view paper. The third what we have done is we have added a footstep and a rear bumper. So previously customer was having a Baleno, so he has moved to Innova Hycross, so he had this judgmental issue. So what we have done is we have on the original system itself we have added a 360-degree camera. The next is customer had a fabric seat cover, so what we have done is we have added an autofoam seat cover to look more elegant, and it will not heat or sweat because we have used a material called Luxanzo. On interior, the first thing what we have done is customer was facing with lot of rattling noise, so we have added a 2 layers of damping. So for safety what we have done is we have added RSCARPREMIUM's Eagle Eye Dash camera with motion sensor, so which will take care of the car even though it is in off state. So customer wanted his kids to play behind with the display, so we have added an headrest monitor. So if you guys wanted to get a car upgraded from base to top, please reach out to RSCARPREMIUM.